two sisters.
Who are they to you?
They are my stepbrothers. They are going to keep two sisters. And then they corrupted the officer and they were released.
Yeah. You are the reason why we will. How far is your advocate?
I said he will be here within an hour.
No, that is so long. The case has taken a break.
Well, the deputy may be disputing any stage before judgment is delivered. Any criminal proceeding.
The accused person. Indeed, the accused is the son of the complainant. If the complainant sincerely wants to withdraw the case against his son, the Constitution and even God would be on his side. The question would be, is he genuine? Is he sincere? That I would not know. The only way for me to establish that the complainant is indeed genuine, has not been coerced, and he sincerely wants to withdraw this case, is for him to file a detailed affidavit. I would therefore advise that the complainant, under the supervision of his advocate, prepares a detailed affidavit as to why he wants to withdraw the case, and the fact that he has not been coerced by anyone to come and withdraw the case. Once I receive the affidavit, then I'll be able to give directions on the way forward. I would therefore adjourn this matter for 2 weeks to allow father and son to talk. And going off record, I would ask the son to be humble enough to go and talk with the father. It took much.